welcome back. Today we're going to go over step 15 of the 28-point air conditioning tune-up and safety inspection. Step number 15 is a thermostat system calibration and check. Most thermostats you would find today on the wall are going to be digital, so we have to calibrate them inside the installation screens inside here, which aren't usually easy to get to for a homeowner. But we get in there and we got to program everything by numbers to make sure you got the right temperature readings, we've got the right cycle counts, so on and so forth, so that this little thing can control all this equipment the right way. We also want to check to make sure all the functionalities are there. So we want to make sure you've got the heating mode, the cooling mode, fan operation modes, if you have a heat pump, emergency heat modes, first stage, second stage is connected, so on and so forth. This little thermostat is the brains of the operation, so we want to make sure it's all doing what it's supposed to do. Because if it's not, your equipment won't run properly, which will cause you premature failure and breakdown, and even really high utility bills for no reason. So make sure you get your tune-up done. It's an inexpensive way to make sure this thing works right. Keep it followed up with a maintenance program, and everything can continue to work right for the life expectancy of the equipment. See you on the next video.